count it as a mud pot, right?
Hey, look over there. There's big bubbles.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yep.
It actually shot mud up.